Namaste. I'd hoped to find a school that could help me understand when there's an individual who's got a problem of some kind, help me understand how to help them. And I did a lot of research. The course content, the dates, the location, the price, everything fit. Rena very kindly introduced me to a previous course participant who's actually, she was on the course at the time, so it was very fresh. Hi, I'm Andy, I'm 40 years old, I'm from the UK. I spent 20 years in the corporate world and then found myself in the world of yoga and massage holidays, which then turned into opportunities to work at a surf and yoga villa and a yoga retreat. And before I knew it, I was wellness centre manager and doing hundreds of massages and yoga classes. I looked at schools in the UK, in Thailand, having done one course previously in Thailand, India, having done a course there. I think I searched a number of platforms and looking for a school that can provide remedial massage. So rather than just something therapeutic, but having done hundreds of massages and having to say, look, I'm really sorry. From the moment I arrived, Rena and the team, very warm and welcoming, very capable, knowledgeable, attention to detail is impressive. I have laughed here more than I have laughed in quite a while. It's been, but we've learned at a phenomenal speed. During my time here, I've managed to very kindly, very fortunately, been able to acquire Swedish, deep tissue, and foot reflexology massage. And we were learning fairly quickly. I think you need to be prepared to just invest a little bit of time in the evenings just to recap the steps so that when you come back in the next day, you remember everything you've acquired the day before. But we come in, we have a nice catch up. It's got like a nice family feel in the mornings, maybe a cup of tea. We massage new or existing, go for lunch, come back, massage some more. You're going to receive 3 hours of massage a day maybe, and give 3 hours a day. Like, you're fairly peaceful here. Although you can, I think for me personally, I had a couple of personal challenges which maybe at times left me a little bit stressed. I was very impressed that if I noticed my energy shifting slightly, how well Rena and the team managed to catch you. Like, it's very impressive. The time here is, I think it's badged as 80% practical and 20% theory. And although we'll spend a lot of time learning sequences and practicing those sequences, questions come up. What happens in this scenario? What happens in this scenario? And usually on topic, not always, we're able to then stop for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, however long it takes to answer the question properly. So yeah, yes, having done other massage courses where 50% is theory, and sometimes you don't even get a chance to receive massage throughout the entire course. Never do you get to exchange practicing massage on more than one body. Theory and practical. So yeah, 80-20. It's a good workout for the brain. Special message, yes. That I believe the spirit, the effort, the time that's gone into building this space is paying off. It's up there with the best experiences I've had. I feel very happy and honoured to be here, and I will be interested to see how things evolve, and would love to perhaps be at the point where I could maybe collaborate with you guys one day. I mean, I'd happily recommend you guys, very happily. But yeah, I guess it's whether or not I can do things at my end. But yeah, that's kind of, I think that's the main point.